Tab Nation? Today we're diving into a basic intro on choosing a good programming language, perfect for work and game development. Python is a top pick for beginners. It's versatile, easy to read, and widely used in tech jobs. Whether you're coding for work or game development, Python's simplicity and power make it a fantastic choice. Dive into Python, and you'll find it opens doors to endless possibilities in tech. JavaScript is the web's best friend. It's essential for web development, beginner friendly, and runs in all browsers, perfect for creating interactive web games. Whether you're building dynamic websites or fun browser games, JavaScript is a must learn for anyone stepping into the tech world. Seeker is a powerhouse in game development, especially with Unity. It's perfect for creating both 2D and 3D games. Beyond games, Seeker is also valuable in enterprise applications, making it versatile for various tech careers. Swift is perfect for iOS app development, especially for mobile games. Its clean syntax makes it easy to learn, even for beginners. If you're aiming to create engaging mobile experiences, Swift is your go-to language. It's a great stepping stone into the world of mobile game development. Choosing the right language is all about your goals. Want to build apps or games? Consider what excites you. Start with one language like Python or JavaScript and expand as you grow. Your path in coding is unique, so choose what aligns with your passion and career aspirations. Now let's dive in a bit more. Choosing the right programming language is crucial for beginners. It shapes your learning journey and future opportunities. This presentation will guide you through popular languages, their pros and cons, helping you make an informed decision tailored to your goals. Choosing the right programming language is crucial. It influences how easy it is to learn, the job opportunities available, and the types of projects you can work on. There's no universal best language. It depends on your individual goals and needs. Consider what you want to achieve and how each language aligns with those objectives. Consider your goals: web development, data science, or game development. Check job market demand for languages in your area, evaluate community support, and the learning curve of each language. These factors will guide you in selecting the most suitable programming language for your needs. Python is ideal for beginners due to its simplicity and readability. It's versatile, supporting web development and data science. However, it's slower than languages like C++ and less suited for mobile development. Python's large community offers extensive resources, making it a great starting point for many programming paths. JavaScript is crucial for web development, offering versatility with a vast ecosystem. It's essential for both front-end and back-end development. However, it can be complex due to asynchronous programming and inconsistent browser behavior. Despite these challenges, mastering JavaScript opens doors to creating dynamic, interactive web applications. Java is renowned for its portability and enterprise applications. It excels in object-oriented programming and cross-platform use. However, its verbose syntax and slower execution can be drawbacks. Ideal for large systems and Android development, Java offers a strong community and job opportunities, despite its complexity compared to languages like Python. C and C++ are powerful for system programming, offering high performance and deep understanding of computer operations. However, they come with a steep learning curve and require manual memory management, which can be challenging for beginners, ideal for those interested in embedded systems or high performance applications. C# is a modern, object-oriented language ideal for game development with Unity and Windows apps. It offers excellent IDE support and cross-platform capabilities through .NET Core. However, its use is limited outside Microsoft, and it's slower than C++. Consider C# if you're interested in game development or Windows applications. Swift is ideal for developing apps on Apple platforms. It's fast, safe, and modern, with strong typing. However, it's limited to the Apple ecosystem and is relatively new. If you're aiming for iOS or macOS development, Swift is a strong choice, but consider its ecosystem limitations. Ruby is celebrated for its elegant syntax, making it a joy for web development, especially with Ruby on Rails. It's easy to learn due to its readable code. However, it faces performance issues and has less job demand compared to languages like JavaScript or Python. PHP is a staple in web development, known for its seamless HTML integration and robust community support. However, it's often criticized for security vulnerabilities and a decline in popularity. While PHP excels in web projects, it's less versatile for other programming needs. Consider your focus on web development when choosing PHP. There's no single best programming language. It depends on your goals and preferences. Consider the type of programming and job market demand. Experiment with different languages and adapt as your skills grow. Remember, your first language is just the beginning of your coding journey. Starting your game development journey involves choosing the right programming language. We'll explore top options like C++, C Python, JavaScript, and GDS script, discussing their pros and cons to help you decide which path aligns with your goals. C++ is the powerhouse of game development, especially for high-performance engines like Unreal. It offers deep control over memory and performance, making it ideal for 8A studios and real-time 3D engines. However, its complexity and challenging syntax can be daunting for beginners. Mastering C++ can open doors to advanced game development opportunities. C++ is undeniably powerful but comes with challenges. Its complex syntax can be daunting for beginners, and it's prone to errors, especially in memory management. While it offers unparalleled control, the learning curve is steep. If you're ready for a challenge and aim for AAA studios, C++ is worth considering. C# is the main language for Unity, offering an easier learning curve than C++. It's perfect for rapid prototyping and has a vast community for support. While it lacks the low-level control of C++, it's ideal for indie developers aiming to create 2D or 3D games quickly. Unity's popularity ensures extensive resources and documentation. CMaker offers less low-level control compared to C++. While Unity is a powerful tool, it can be heavy and sometimes buggy, especially with newer features. CMaker is primarily used within Unity for game development, limiting its versatility outside this environment. Python is incredibly beginner-friendly with its clean syntax, making it perfect for learning programming fundamentals and scripting. While it's not commonly used in major game engines, it's excellent for small games and educational purposes. Python's limitations include slower performance, which makes it less ideal for performance-intensive games. Python's slower performance makes it less ideal for performance-intensive games. It's best suited for small games and learning the basics. While it's a great starting point for beginners, its limited use in major game engines means it might not be the best choice for those aiming for high-performance game development. JavaScript is perfect for browser-based games, offering instant deployment and easy sharing. It's supported by libraries like Phaser and 3.js, making it accessible for web game development. However, it's less powerful for 3D games and not commonly used for console or desktop games, ideal for web games and online experiments. JavaScript is less suited for 3D games and isn't typically used for console or desktop development. Its libraries, while useful, aren't as mature as Unity or Unreal. If you're focused on web games, it's a great choice, but for more complex projects, consider other languages like GDS script with Godot. GDS script is a great choice for beginners, especially if you like Python. Godot is lightweight, open source, and perfect for 2D games and small 3D projects. However, it's still maturing with fewer resources and isn't widely used in the industry yet. You might need to learn C# or C++ for advanced features. GDS script is still evolving, with limited resources and industry adoption. While it's great for beginners, you might need to learn CIs or C++ for advanced features. This can be a hurdle if you're aiming for more complex projects. However, it's a solid start for small indie games, offering a gentle introduction to game development. Java, Lua, and Rust are worth mentioning. Java powers Minecraft and Android games, but isn't as popular now. Lua is lightweight, used in Roblox, and Love 2D. Rust is fast and modern, though niche in game development. Each has unique strengths, so consider your project needs and personal preferences when exploring these options. Choose your language based on your goals. For beginners, Python or GDS script are ideal. If you're aiming for indie games, C# with Unity is a great choice. For those targeting AAA studios, C++ is the way to go. Remember, the best language is the one you enjoy and stick with. JavaScript is great for web games, while Godot is perfect for open source projects. Remember, the best language is the one you enjoy and stick with. Game development is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning and creating.